Hey everyone! This is the drill practice video. Get ready for a bounce workout. 2 tempos. The main idea is to learn to always keep the bounce going.
Just 3 minutes a day does wonders. This one could be your funky cardio snack. When you memorize the pattern, feel free to practice to your favorite music. Alright? Get ready!
Let's start with the bounce. Bend your knees and get ready. Remember to keep the accent up. Now add your arm swing. Keep going. And back to the bounce. One more 8. And get ready to add head turns to it. Smooth and relaxed here. And bounce again. Swing those arms. Keep up the pace. And back to the bounce. Now head turn. And bounce again. I bet your body is already feeling it. Now let everything groove. Get loose and add your own flavor. Get ready to add it to the side step. You did this. Let's do it to a faster tempo. Get ready to start with the bounce. 1 more 8. Add your arm swings. Keep going. And bounce again. Don't forget to smile and add head turns. And bounce again. Keep up. Add arm swings. Bounce again. And get ready to add head turns. And bounce again. Get ready to add everything. Groove it all out. And get ready to add it to the side step. Good job, everybody! You did it!